Meet Fred. He's just landed in Japan and he's craving a banana. The title of this video is Fred and Pip's Adventures in Forexland, Episode 1, What is Forex? Fred approaches the stall and offers dollars. Hi, one banana, please, Fred said. The vendor shrugs and points at Fred's money. Huh? What's wrong with dollars? Fred asked. Pip suddenly poofs in wearing aviator glasses with an energetic entrance. Because Japan uses yen. Genius. Not everything runs on dollars. Pip explained. Magical transition. Pip opens a map, and they are sucked into a stylized world map called Forexland. Welcome to the world of Forex, short for foreign exchange, where currencies from around the world are bought, sold, and traded. Country flags float by with currency symbols, USD, JPY, EU, etc. Imagine you're swapping your dollars for yen just to buy that banana. That's Forex in action, Pip said. Fred and Pip's Adventures in Forexland, Episode 1. What is Forex? Imagine you're swapping your dollars for yen just to buy that banana. That's Forex in action, Pip explained. Wait, so people are trading money like it's a product? Fred asked, amazed. Exactly. Every time people travel, shop online, or do business between countries, currencies get exchanged, Pip said, informative. And all of that adds up to a market that trades trillions of dollars a day, way bigger than any stock market. Whoa, I just wanted a banana, Fred said, wide-eyed. Pip grinned and said, and you got a crash course in the world's biggest market. Stick with me, and you'll be a Forex master in no time. Hit subscribe and join Fred and Pip on their next adventure in Forexland.